A 35-year-old male is brought to the emergency department following a high-speed motor vehicle collision. He has severe mid-back pain. I am showing you his supine trauma chest radiograph and sagittal reconstructed chest computed tomography images. Describe the findings.
The supine chest radiograph demonstrates bilateral widening of the paraspinal lines, worse on the left, with left-sided mediastinal widening and a left apical pleural cap. There is also a visual loss of height of a mid-thoracic vertebral body with loss of the left pedicle outline. The sagittal computed tomography reformation confirms a displaced wedge compression fracture of the T7 vertebral body with posterior element involvement, and a surrounding hyperdense posterior mediastinal hematoma. These findings indicate an acute thoracic vertebral fracture with an associated spondylogenic paraspinal hematoma.
Which mediastinal compartment is involved when paraspinal lines are displaced, and which region of the spine is most susceptible to traumatic injury in blunt trauma?
Displacement of the paraspinal lines indicates an abnormality in the posterior mediastinum. The region of the spine most susceptible to traumatic injury is the thoracolumbar junction, specifically between T12 and L2. This area is highly vulnerable because it represents the transition zone between the rigid thoracic spine and the highly mobile lumbar spine.
What is the diagnostic sensitivity of plain radiographs for detecting thoracolumbar fractures in trauma, and what are the immediate clinical management steps?
Plain radiographs are highly unreliable, with thoracolumbar spine films having a sensitivity of only 32% for detecting acute spinal fractures. Therefore, multi-detector computed tomography with multiplanar reformations is mandatory for evaluation. In terms of management, the patient's spine must remain strictly immobilized using a spinal board and log rolling protocols to prevent spinal cord injury. A comprehensive neurological examination must be performed. If there is a suspected unstable fracture or neurological deficit, an urgent spinal surgery consultation with orthopedics or neurosurgery is required. Furthermore, a contrast-enhanced computed tomography angiogram should be reviewed to exclude a coexisting traumatic aortic injury, as mediastinal hematomas from fractures can mimic aortic rupture.